and drag it here.
Yeah. So this path,
Hmm.
this one. So I'm trying to write this path, but
It is not
it's not
finding.
highlighting. Yeah, it's not finding.
So can you do one thing? Just search it. Selector Hub, Google search. There is a
Okay.
one add-in. Okay. If you do not know how to write XPath, you get it from add-in. Selector Hub. Okay.
Mhm.
Just select it. Click on first. Yeah. Yes. Yes. And Prashant, you can also do it. You can add it.
Yeah.
Just search in Google Chrome. Selector Hub. This is the add-on. Okay. This will help you to find the XPath directly. No need to write manually.
Do we
Mm-hmm.
need to add this test case studio as
No,
well?
no, no,
No.
no, 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 no. Only select Hub.
Okay.
Okay. So now
So when I go use this,
I am not able to see your screen.
oh, what happened?
I think you have not.
I'm shared, I think. Yeah.
Now I can see. But
Using
what you have
the,
to do?
yeah.
No, you have to close and open. So Selector Hub will be there.
Okay.
Close the browser and reopen.
The whole Instagram as well.
Huh. Close and
Okay.
reopen. Close this browser.
Yeah, yeah.
Check that whether it is. Yeah.
Yeah, the extension is there.
Okay. Okay. No worries. No
And
worries.
if
Just click on the developer tool. Yeah. Inspect. Yeah.
Inspect.
Yeah. No, 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 no. Don't go there.
no need. Okay,
No
okay.
need.
Oh,
No need. Okay. So give me control. I will tell you. You are just struggling. I will try to find it. Just give me control.
okay.
First thing is, so make it right side. Okay, so I will tell you how to see here. This is a symbol. Okay, it will make you right side. So
Yeah.
you can
Okay.
see not this one. Here only. You just click on three dots. The browser is
Okay.
showing down right. You just make it this side
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
so that you can see all the slash and all this is as well, right? Just click on wherever you want and you want to add this export, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, if you go here, there is a double arrows, right? Just click here, select hub, right? So now you target which element you want to find the XPath. So this is your XPath. So here it is showing.
Okay.
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 Here also it is showing and here. So you have to take with double slash actually. So okay, so I'll take this and just paste it here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it is showing one of one, right? It is highlighting. Okay, so that is how the login is built. Okay, so this
Okay.
is a add-on. It will help you to find an expert without like how they have taken easily, right? So you can take it started with div class, right? So what you have to do, you have to double slash div add class equal to within whatever it is there, right? Same thing
Yeah.
only, right? Yesterday we have written, so same thing only. You can take it. Okay, so now we go to this and paste it your XPath where you want.
Yeah, I need to write the code. Yeah, script. Yeah. Driver
Mhm.
dot find the element.
Mhm. Yeah, yeah.
Shall I write or
I can write it now. This
okay?
there are n number of ways are there. Okay, so uh, you can stick to any one.
Hmm.
So Prashant, that selector hub you have added to your Chrome, right?
I am not getting that selector hub. In the Google, I don't know. 1 second.
Stop
Uh-huh.
sharing.
You stop sharing and share the screen.
Second.
Okay. So selector hub is a add-on. It will help you to find the XPath. Okay. If you even if you do, you are struggling to find the XPath, so that
Mm-hmm.
add-on you can use it. So Prashant, you can share a screen.
1 second. I am getting something else. I don't know. Let's
No
go.
worries. Selector hub. Don't give space after R. Go to that.
Okay. Uh,
No, no. After R, just remove that. Yeah. Now search. Yeah. No, no,
Selected.
just search. Yeah, yeah. Just click and enter. Yeah. So now,
Mhm.
see. Yeah, click on it.
This one.
No, no,
No,
no, no.
that's not the one. That's not the
Give
one.
me control. I'll try.
Selectors hub.
Give me control. I'll do it. So where it is showing. So which browser? Chrome only, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Chrome.
I can see extension. Selector hub. Chrome extension.
Mhm.
Okay. So now
Yeah,
you just add to Chrome.
Chrome. Yeah.
So it will help you to find the expert. I'll show you.
Okay.
So if
Yeah.
you're trying to, I think it is downloading. Okay, it is just downloading and added. Okay,
Yeah.
pronouncing. So what I'll do is just trying to find the expert. Okay, let's say
Mm-hmm.
demo workshop.
Yeah.
Okay, login. Let's say you are trying to find the expert username or email. You just select that.
Yeah.
Okay. So now just go here and you find, okay, it is not at sync. Okay, now you have to close it and reopen browser. Okay, it will
Okay.
display. Okay, now it is coming. Just click
Yes.
here.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is your
Yeah.
expert, uh, index
Expert.
expert. You can take
Okay.
index or relative expert also fine because we are
Okay.
focusing on relative expert.
Hmm. Yeah.
So because it has to start with double slash. See here it is highlighting and it is matching
Okay.
one of one. Right.
Okay.
And now if you want to find the expert of login, just click on it.
Yeah.
Okay, now it is giving. So it
Okay.
is easy instead of writing manually.
Okay.
Okay, so same thing
Hmm.
only. It started with A, and they have
Yeah.
taken since there is a space between A and H, so
Yes.
normalized space equal to login, and they have
Oh,
closed it. So this is the
okay.
X bar. Okay,
Okay.
you can do it even though if you do not know. So this is a one another way of finding X bar by using
Okay.
add-on. Okay, so let's go to the topic. You can stop sharing. I will go to topic
Yeah.
because we are 10 minutes late. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So now we have wait comments. Okay, so in Selenium wait comments. So let's discuss on. So already we know that third dot sleep. So another way we also have. So in Selenium wait is a it is a very important because some web application will take some time to load it, right? So that is the reason. So it is very important. So there are two wait comments are there in Selenium. One is implicit wait, another one is explicit wait. So let's see what are those and when we have to use it. Okay. So and we know that, right? So why we need to wait in Selenium, right? So why it is? Because when page is loaded by browser, right? So it want to interact, so it may take some time to load it, as I told, right? So and also you will find it element not visible exception sometimes. Okay, so in rare case, so even though XPath is correct, so but you will getting a error because of element is not visible, right?
Mm.
Sometimes that is also is there. So in order to resolve that, you have to wait to completely load it. Right? The page has to load completely, or 20 second, 10 second, anyway, right? So that is also there. So let's understand implicit wait and explicit wait. Okay. So implicit wait, I have given a program. Okay. So here, okay. So what I have did, I have set the properties where my driver is there. So then I have given a driver to Chrome driver, so it will launch. So then I have maximized. Okay. So here driver manage timeouts dot implicit wait. So you have to use this method. Then you have to give time dot seconds, which is 10 second or 20 second. Okay. So this one also you can use it to wait instead of thread dot sleep. You can also use this one. Okay. So let's say when you will use implicit wait, it is to tell the web driver, right? So it will tell the web driver to wait for certain amount of time before showing. There is no like element exception, right? So by default this is a 0 second. Okay, if you do not give anything, it will take as a 0 second. Okay, so this is where if you want to wait for some page to load it, right? So you want to tell the driver to wait for some time, right? So that time you can use it. So this program I have given simple. Okay, then I have validated here driver dot get this URL. Then you have to maximize the window. Then you are just asking title of that page, driver dot get title. So for that you have given created a variable. Okay, then you are comparing if title equals to e title, like we have done earlier, right? Facebook title, where it is a page validation, right? So here, string page title equal to driver dot get title. So title is this. If this is the title equal to that title, so it will pass the test case. If not, it will fail. Same thing only. Okay, so this is what you can wait in second, hour, minute also. Okay, it will accept the all the measurement of terms of like a wait command. Okay, so that is about in explicit wait, right? So explicit wait is used to tell the web driver to wait for certain conditions or maximum time exceeded, right? So what does it mean is, let's say you have launched the application, okay, demo web shop. So initially it takes it is again loading, right? So again same thing only. It is not like a very big difference, right? So maximum amount of time before throwing any error, right? So it is used, okay, and it can be applied for all the elements, right? Wherever, let's say if you are waiting for login to login page to load, right? You can apply anywhere, okay. That is also as a so expected to have a expected condition. So you can use this is a syntax thread dot sleep generally used, but it is not recommended to use. But you can use it, not an issue. Okay. So in this WebDriver wait example, okay. So WebDriver wait class or expected condition occur when occurs first. Okay. So what does it mean? So whenever you ask the driver to wait for some amount of time, whatever you have given, like 10 second, 20 second, right? So exception means nothing but it is a error, right? So why error it will show? Let's say if you're not giving any exception here, let's say I'm launching URL, okay. Here if I not given like
Time.
wait, so it will not execute this because you will get a error because the page is not fully loaded and driver is not able to communicate, right?
Mm.
So that is the reason. So wait comments are very important. Okay. So following conditions whenever you want to validate something, right? So let's say if any alert is present, right? Pop-up is present, right? You want to validate something is present. Let's say I want to validate this demo web shop title is there, right? So in that case, you have to wait it till the loaded, right? So or element is clickable, or element is element nothing but button, right? So here I'm just clicking it, but sometimes what happen, it will not click, right?
Mm.
So it will show as a click, but it will not click it. So that is where you have to compare this expected. Okay, and
Mm.
there is a presence of element located or to be present, right? And titles we have used it, right? Title contains visibility, right? And visible all the elements, right? So these are the some methods are there in Selenium. Okay, those methods can use it. So here, as I shown earlier, this is the one way of writing the code by using the wait command, or you can say get title visible, right? Instant keys click. So that is there. So another wait command in Selenium is Fluent Wait. Okay, it is used to define maximum time for web driver to wait for certain condition, right? So as well as frequency which we want to check the condition, right? So that is what, okay, same only. So if you want to validate if a new customer this text is displayed or not, or let's say welcome, please sign in this, you want to validate this title is being displayed or not, right? So in that case, so it will wait for maximum amount of time, right? So until your expected result is met, right? So that time, so this is used. Okay, so I have given here syntax. Okay, you have to create a object
Mm.
wait equal to new fluent wait. So you are
Mm.
asking what you are telling the web driver, right? So this is a reference you have to give. Then you have to give timeout in second or millisecond or hours, right? So that you have to change it, right? And you have to use this ignore the exception. This is another method is there. So what does it mean? It will not throw an error. Okay, until these seconds are over, it will not throw an error. Okay, so this is the another fluent wait, uh, like way of what do you call wait time in Selenium. Okay, same thing only I have given here how to use it. Okay. So now let's understand what is the difference between the implicit and explicit weight. Implicit weight, it will apply to all the elements as we told, right? So you can use anywhere, anytime. Okay. So explicit weight is applied only those element or intended by us. Or let's say if you want to use this explicit wait command for certain conditions only, certain you know that, okay, if I click on register, you know already this page will keeps loading, or it will may take long time. So in that case you can use explicit, right? Unless it is like, so this is also you implicit wait, we know not to specify expected condition, right? So I see here we have not given any expected condition, right? We are just telling simple wait. Okay, but here in explicit you have to write a expected condition. What you are waiting for? You're waiting for this element is present or not, right? So these are some differences are there between them. Okay, and some of the validation commands. So what is validation? So what does it mean? So let's say here you're validating the title of the page, you're validating this text is present, right? Or you're validating registration page where registration, like you want to validate this your personal detail title is displayed or not, right? So these are validations. How to use, right? Methods are there. So if you use driver dot get title, it will get the title of that page.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And if you want to valid, like if you want to launch the URL, you have to use get current URL, right? So what does you if you want to validate whether the URL is launched by driver is correctly or not, then you can use this one. And there is a scroll down is there, so where you want to validate scrolling the page, right? So let's say if you want to validate customer service, this option is shown or not, right? Or follows this option is displayed or not, right? So you have to use scroll. So in that, for scrolling the page you have a JavaScript will write, we'll see this one. Okay. And if any elements are hidden, so you have to use is displayed, is enabled, right? So what does it mean? So here it is enabled or disabled, right? So the button is enabled or disabled, right? You can use this and is selected, right? So
Yes,
that is
yes.
there. So now let's see, we'll write a simple script for scrolling the page. We have not written what
Mm.
squalling. This is very important. Okay, so for squalling you have to use a method. JavaScript executor method is there. Okay, so execute JavaScript, and you have to tell driver, right? So for driver you have to tell. So for this you have to create a object. Okay, so JavaScript executor. Okay, so not execute JavaScript executor JS equal to, I have to tell this. Okay, same thing. If you're getting error, so it will what you say. So it will give an hint. Okay, what you can
Yeah.
use this. Okay, just for it. See here, you have to change it to JavaScript. Or you have to download this one. Okay, JavaScript executor. Okay, so JavaScript executor here also. Okay, okay, it is not a Java script. JavaScript executor. Why it is not coming? JavaScript, or you can say, let's say we are getting a bit. Okay, so it is not coming. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just search it. JavaScript executor. Okay, so here you'll get it. Okay, what to use it. Okay, just come down here. If you forget somewhere or something, right? JavaScript executor only. Why it is not checking here? Okay, now see. Import. Now it is coming, right? So you have to
Yes.
import this from like OpenQA.Selenium. Okay, so for that, so it will, okay, for driver. Okay, so this method it will execute the JavaScript. So what you want to write? So there is a method again. So for that method, how to validate, right? So there is a window dot scroll by, right? So scroll
Mm.
by method is there. So okay, so this method you have to refer it for reference. Okay, so execute script. Okay, so this is okay. So
Execute.
so you have to refer it. What you want to refer, right? So right, window dot scroll by.
He is missing in the execute script. Yeah. And S, I think S is a capital or something.
No, no, no. We'll see this one. One second. JavaScript. Or let's say I have JavaScript new daughter. Okay, so not this one. So we are writing here or here. call the pace. Right? So JavaScript executor JS. This is it will invoke it. So then after that, so window it will call by this x path, x axis and y axis. Okay, it has to. Okay, so window scroll by method. You just search it, you'll get it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Driver dot execute script. This is also you can use, or you can use this is as well. So let me give you exactly. So driver. Okay, so you have just created an object for this. You can give any name. Okay, or just say pace. Okay, so then you can refer that. Okay.
Which job?
So JavaScript executor is in Java. It is there. So by default inbuilt. Okay, this you have to remember this method. So you are telling that execute this script, right? So method is there. You are telling window scroll by, right? So scroll by you can give 200. So what does it mean? So 0 comma 200. It is a x and y. What does it mean? If you give 0, it is a horizontal. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
if you want to scroll the page is horizontally or vertically. So now we want to vertically, right? So we want to scroll vertically, right? That
Yeah.
is a reason. So we don't want to scroll horizontally. So that is why I have given 0. So you
Yeah.
want to like
Move
scroll.
vertically.
So that is why I have given 200. Okay, so let's see whether it will what do you call scroll or not. Okay, vertically only. So okay. It has to maximize and it has to scroll. Okay, it has scrolled very little bit, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm.
know what I'm doing, but it has scrolled, right? So
Yeah.
you just do
You
500.
don't pick.
So just see now it will scroll at least half of the page. See here. So
Yeah.
now I want to scroll at the end. So at that time you just give a 1,000. Okay, now it has to come exactly last page. Okay,
Mm.
so that is how you can increase that value. You can see now it will increase at the down. Like see here. Now you can
Mm.
see all this, right? So this is the script is there. So I'll ping you this code. You just copy somewhere and just do it yourself. Okay. So where check. Okay, so okay, JavaScript executor. Just paste it in somewhere, any of the code which you have written. Okay. So now we just let me know you have copied. Then I'll start next one. Very important. Copied. Both of the copied or two copied.
Yeah, done.
Okay. So now we have like a scroll the page, right? So what if you have a scenario to scroll to the element, right? You want to
Mm.
validate this element, right? To validate scroll by using this as a reference, right? So what first you have to know the XPath of that element, right? So
Mm. Yeah.
this is your XPath. Okay, so now we'll where is my select to hub. So as the customer service, this is my X path. So you can I'll write it manually F3 square. So I will use the
At the rate.
content text. Okay, this is not really contents. This is my element.
At the rate is missing.
No, no, no. This is just if any. Okay, so here I have to close it. Text whatever. See here. This is a
Mm.
one of a template. If you do not have any class or device, right? You only
Mm-hmm.
to give at you have to give starting, then next one
Okay.
reference. But
Okay.
here I don't have. It started
Yeah.
with S3 only, right? So
Yeah.
inside, so what I am writing contains a text. What text? This text. So then it will match. So I know XPath. I want to scroll it to the customer services. Now I will go here, scroll to the element. Okay. So now you have to create a object again. Web element driver find element by XPath. So you should know what is the XPath. So now I'll give this XPath S3. Okay. So this is my XPath. Okay. So now I know this is the XPath I want to call. So then again you have to use a JavaScript executor driver method. Then execute the script. Then you have to pass the argument scroll to view is equal to true. So what is it has to call this element. So what is this object element XPath? This is my XPath, right? So I have given a reference. Okay. So this is the code. Okay, so I have given here as well. So if you want to understand, so now I will run this one. It has to score. I'm not giving any x-axis or y-axis, right? I'm just giving element x path. So it is calling to that element. I'm telling that driver to scroll to that element. I'm not telling scroll to horizontal or x-axis, right? So that is what. Okay, so it has closed. Okay, but I didn't see whether it has gone here. So I'll remove this. I'll rerun again. It has to go to that element because I'm given a reference of that element to call it. See here, it's called, right? So this is what. So this is one more way of calling the element. Okay. So this is also I will give you code. Just copy and try to run it. Okay. Can you guys do it now? This is very important. So just to practicing anyone, scroll to the element. I'll ping you this code. Just copy and do it. Run it. That's it. Prashant, you can copy this. You have already written for demo web shop. Create a one class, different, say, scroll to the element. Here you scale. Okay, so there are n number of methods are there. Wherever you want to, like as per your, what you call, as per your requirement or your intention to do, so accordingly you can use it.
So create a new class and copy this, you're saying?
Yeah, yeah,
Or
you have to create a right. So for everything, you have to create a separate classes, so
classes
that it
is
will be easy for you to understand. If you write in one class only, you'll confuse. Give a class name as a call element or call page and create a
okay.
class. Siri, are you sharing your screen?
One second. Just share.
It is just kind of copy paste only since you have already just change the URL and this is-
You want us to share the screen, huh?
Run it. Anyone run it.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay.
We need to run the code, huh?
Yeah. I
Okay.
mean, I'm just asking you to try it.
Yeah,
Whether
yeah. Okay.
able to run live. So, Prashant, your classes,
Yes.
are you? Can you share your screen?
One second. I'm sharing.
Mm-hmm.
So this I copy pasted what you have sent me.
Mm-hmm.
I created a class scroll element and then
No, 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 madam. First, what you have created a scroll element. Okay. So now
yeah.
you have to copy that. Where is your WebDriver XPath or path? That code also you
Oh,
copy.
that one I need to do. Okay.
Mm.
It will take time I think for me. So one second.
Search it where you have written earlier. Not
One second. I have just done before.
Selenium script somewhere you have written.
Ah, this one I have done.
Mhm. Double click. Mhm. Okay, correct. Just copy everything till maximize window. Uh, yeah, but you have not given path of that browser, so that is also important. So
Yeah,
just
yeah. This I will give you. I will give that.
paste it in scroll element. Yeah, yeah, above. Yeah, exactly.
So here I need to give right, comma.
No, 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 no. Wait, we have already remove that system dot out. It is not required. You don't no need to
Here this one.
system dot out dot println. Remove that line of code. You no need, right? So
Yes.
now you set the path of system dot set properties. You use that code and paste it above.
This
Where is
one.
your Where is your Chrome driver path? Where
Uh,
is the line of code? Go to Selenium script 2. Selenium script 2. Yeah. Uh, double click.
not this one. I think
No, no, no. Click on that.
this one, right?
Uh,
System set property.
Copy and paste it there. So you are not organizing
Yeah.
folder properly. So create a. I'll tell you later. Okay. Not to know. So now what you have done, you have set the property. You are telling driver launch this URL maximize, right?
Yes.
Now
Yes.
after that you
Yeah.
want to call the element, right? So you have for that you have
Yes.
created the
Yes.
object web element driver find by XPath that element. Just
Yes.
hover
Yes.
and by and element hover or why you are getting error.
This one here.
Hmm. Import. Don't select. Just uh, don't select. Why you are selecting? Just hover over. Huh.
I'm not selecting, but it's
Give me control. Not getting.
input. Yeah.
Still, I am getting. Why you are not getting? Okay. So now by also getting. So you have to import. Okay.
Yeah.
So this way.
Yeah.
So now you have fixed all the error and now you want to execute. Just execute. Let's see whether it is calling or not.
Still loading.
Your system is slow.
Mm. System is okay, but whenever I start doing this only, it's getting stuck
Hmm.
somewhere.
Yeah, so that's what I think. I have to do some
Yeah.
scan something.
It's
Mm,
closed.
that's- yeah, yeah. So if you do not you want to see, so you have to wait it, right? So that is what. Then give wait command also. So now you
Okay,
create a
okay,
one more class for scroll the page, right? So just
okay,
want to scroll the page that code I have given, right? So just go
okay,
here and create a class scroll the page, right?
okay.
So here is a scroll the page. Okay? So same thing, copy and paste it. And you have to close all these, okay? If you no need,
Hmm. Hmm.
close it away.
Uh,
So
I, I will do like everything. I'll delete and I'll create a new project and I'll do everything in that.
yeah, yeah.
It's all mess over there, mess here.
Correct. So now I'll do copy this. Okay, so this is my code. I want to paste it here.
Okay.
Why not using code?
Okay.
So there is a symbol here, right? You just click it,
Hmm.
it will come to, you'll see the folders, okay?
Okay.
Now you just close this. Okay, so close this as well. Scroll to the page. Right, so this is, you can rename as well, okay? So if you just right click, refactor.
Okay. Really. Yeah.
So rename because it has taken incorrectly. Okay. So here is import for declaration.
Mm-hmm.
Now you have to write it
Wait.
in Java. So now you have to import the JavaScript. Java, so it's a double it has come. Okay, so now I'll import JavaScript executor. Why do you not
I think executor. It's not coming import.
executor? Why it isn't coming for you? Okay, let's see here. JavaScript. I pinged you somewhere in chat box. Okay, I will copy. JavaScript executor. So Padma, for you, able to do that one?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So for okay, so now it is imported. Okay, so now I will copy this and paste it here. Okay, so now it's gone. So now we have to run this, execute the script. Okay, execute script window. Right. So
Hmm.
Windows callback. So window dot scroll back.
One you gave me to copy is different from the one you are writing.
What is different?
There's no method for as a Java executor, JavaScript executor.
Where? Okay, I'll come to you. Okay, later. One second.
Okay.
Okay. So what it does, you know, right, Prashant, is it will window
Yeah.
it will call the vertical.
Windows scroll.
Okay.
There is a double B. It will. Mm.
Okay. So I just saved and you can run it. And you can run it and I'll stop sharing the screen. You
Okay.
share your screen, Padma? Sorry, huh? Padma?
Yeah, yeah.
I'll stop.
Sure. So, are you able to see my screen?
So this is where you are understanding, right? There are two codes we have written. One is we are just calling the page. Here
Mm-hmm.
we are calling to the element.
Oh, okay, okay. That is page one. Okay.
Hmm. Okay, that is
Okay.
the reason.
Hmm.
Can you stop sharing? I'll share on screen.
Yeah.
So that is the reason you guys have to create a separate project. So one for basic Java programs. It has only programs, only Java programs. If you find it, you find only programs like adding number, dividing number, printing something, right? For loop, delete, filing. So that is how you have to maintain. And another folder you have to write it for exception handling or something if you feel different. So another you this is only for Selenium scripting, Selenium automation script. So Facebook
Okay.
login, page validation, right? Plus call the element. So you have to create a separate code so it will be easy for you to remember, right? So same code only you can just copy if you are login to here Facebook login, you just paste it where you want to scroll after that or before that. So wherever you want you can paste it. It is simple, right? So you can add it to your code. That's it. Okay. So that is how you have to write your code like very neatly. Okay, you have to create a folder, right? So you know already how to create a folder. Just go to here, create a new project, Java project. Under that, you create a package. After that, you create it. It will be for you to. It is a systematic way of doing it, right? So if you do it in one folder only, it will confuse. So after
Can you
creating, Mhm.
share me the the one you just did, the JavaScript page?
It is already there in chat box. So can you see it?
Oh, oh no, I already copied that one.
Now one more I have given first chart, small
Yeah.
page. I have already
Uh-huh.
given this. This
Okay.
one I have already
Yeah,
given.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, I copied that too. Yeah.
If not, it is there in my notes. Okay, don't worry.
Okay.
Okay, so
I run the program, but it's open and maximized, and but not it's not scrolling. It takes time, or I don't know why. Not
no, it will
scrolling
scroll.
down.
You have to give a don't close the browser. Okay, you use
Okay.
just you will feel it. Okay, so it will run it. Don't
Okay.
worry. So then let's say if how you will validate if button is selected or not, right? So you just use a true or false, right? Boolean. You just use this one when you create a object reference equal to driver find by element by XPath. This XPath you want to like radio button will be there, right? So there you have to use this method. If you want to really want to validate whether button is selected or not, right? And how to validate whether multiple drop downs are there, you have to use multiple, is multiple. Okay. So all, there are n number of methods are there. Okay. So this screenshot is for like code is for or by using all the XPath. How to use the XPath? If it is
Mm.
by class, we already know that Selenium locators are there. ID, class, class name, right?
Mm.
XPath, CSS selector, right? So this is a program is there. You can practice it. Okay. So then we have already discussed about this handling store commands, right? In Selenium IDE, right? So if you open here, Selenium IDE, what is that? Selenium IDE. Let's see where it is. where it will be saved, I have to go to that path. Okay, or is
Mm.
this create a new project? See here, command is there. So there are field, right? Command, target. Yesterday we have given values,
Mm.
right? Description, right? The same thing also I have given here just for understanding. Okay, how to store the variable or values. Okay, yesterday we have done, right? Is selected or not? You have given a link, right? So this is I have given here. Okay, same thing only yesterday, and now we are end of this module. Limitation is why we are not using Selenium ID. It is just a add-on, right? It is not a software, right? And it will not
Mm.
show. It is not suitable for extensive data testing and connection data testing cannot be done and cannot handle dynamic part and it will not see the
Mm.
caption short and it will not result the reports, right? So these are the limitations. Okay. So
Mhm.
now let's see what is the limitations of Selenium. Okay. First limitation is so as a tester you need to you have if you want to write whole, let's say you're writing a automation script for login to till shopping cart or end the shopping cart, right? It will take long time, right? So
Mm.
that is a one limitation. Tester need to more time to write the test cases or script. Okay.
Mm.
Oh, and second limitation, lack of reporting feature. So we don't have any report is generated. Let's say you are running this script, you are not seeing any report, how whether it is pass or for unless you have written print statement, right? Okay. So that is one. And third one, support only single browser. We have not come across multiple browser, right? So we are running just in Chrome only. Okay. And lack of some advanced feature, and we cannot do mobile application testing it, and also handling dynamic elements, right? So dynamic nothing but if you have a captcha, right? We don't know which code will be generated, right? So that is a dynamic. And handling pop-ups, you will get a pop-up how will handle. Okay. To overcome all this, so we will continue with Selenium WebDriver module, okay, which is model 8.
Mm.
Okay. So model 8 Selenium WebDriver, it is a okay. We have already gone across this. So we have already created everything navigation and different types of waiting. Okay, but we have not discussed about taking screenshot. So we will discuss this. Okay. So first program we have already created for using the Selenium WebDriver. Okay. So Selenium
Mm.
WebDriver, it will support the JSON wire protocol. Okay, inside how exactly it is taking the control of web browser, right? So they have written some protocol using JSON. JSON as you know, JavaScript object notation. Okay, so this is what. And how we'll start by using how we'll call the driver by using the session, right? So driver equal to new program driver, which will call the driver. Then you will tell that driver to launch it by giving the XPath, right? So that properties. Okay, and you have to download the jar files, right? You have to configure whenever you are creating a new project, right? You have to configure. So you have to configure the build path, otherwise you will not get it, right? So that is what. Okay, jar files, everything you have to refer, which we have already given, and we have written enter the what URL we want to launch, right? And we have already done whether the title is right and printing the title, closing the browser, right? At the end of page, all these I have already uh, done it. Okay, so that is what. So then we have already verified the title of the page again by using the what get title driver dot get title. It will give the title of the page. Okay,
Mm.
so this is also I have given in my screenshot. So navigation, let's say I'll take only 2 minutes. Okay, please bear with me. Okay, so let's say you have already logged in here, but
Mm.
you want to navigate back, right? Let's say you want to navigate back. See here, navigate forward. So there is a one method is there. Okay, so just create a one class navigation back and forth or refresh also. Okay, you want to refresh the page, how to do it, everything. Okay, so now I'll take this code, set property, launch it, maximize, and this. Okay, I will fill that navigation, right? So I just copy that code. Okay, so You want to navigate, so you already click on Facebook. Okay, so you want to navigate back. What you There is a method driver dot navigate, right? Navigate back. Okay, so this code will back. Okay, so now I'll do one more thing here. Okay, so it will maximize the window. Okay, then it will wait, then it will navigate back. Okay, so you just use navigate back, so it will go back. Okay, so it will launch and it will maximize, it will wait and it will navigate back. Okay, let's see. See here,
Hmm.
initially it launched URL, it will navigate back. So now navigate forward. Driver dot navigate forward also is there.
Okay.
Okay. So what it does now, it has navigated back. Now you want to go again forward, right? So how we'll do manually? We will just do it by using this arrow mark, right? You just do it and do it here.
Yeah.
So here also driver will do like that only by using this method. The Selenium WebDriver is all about methods only, so you should remember it. Okay.
Hmm.
If you do not remember, just go to Google and check it. See here, it navigate back and it navigate front, forward. So now you have to refresh, right? So there is a again method is a driver dot refresh. Okay. So it will refresh. How will do refresh? By using this symbol, right?
Hmm.
So now I'll do it. Okay. All these method you can do it. Okay. This is for practicing for you guys. So now it will navigate back and forth and it will refresh the page. See here, it has refreshes twice.
Yeah.
Okay. So that is how to close all the browser. What you will do? Driver dot. It will close
Close.
only current. Driver dot quit is there to, it will close
Quit.
all.
Quit. Yeah.
So here I have given, okay, types of navigation. So please practice it. If you want to navigate
Mhm.
next, you have to forward. If you want to previous page, you have to go to use this navigate back. If you want to refresh the page, you have to use the refresh. Okay. If you want to launch the URL, driver.get is there, or you can use it driver.navigate to which URL. Okay. So these are the four types of navigation models are there. Okay. So I have given
Yeah.
in my notes. Please practice it for that, because they will ask you these all the basic questions, right? So if you know these basic questions, so it will be good for you guys. Okay. So I think we're almost time up. So we will discuss about taking this screenshot tomorrow. How to take screenshot, or will you guys wait?
Sorry.
So the next topic we have it taking the screenshot. So can I
Okay.
do it quickly? It'll take 4 minutes, or you want me to do it tomorrow?
Monday,
Monday.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think you guys have know everything, right? So forward, this is a simple thing. So let's learn new thing today, right? So we have not learned any new thing except calling. So I'll use only 2 minutes how to take
Mm.
screenshot. Okay.
Okay.
So there is a method is there. I think. Okay. So let's see what is it. Okay. Wait. Command. Oh, okay. Radio button. Okay. Let's see if you come across this kind of radio buttons, right?
Mm.
Or checkbox. How will write a program, right? So you have to write a radio button driver dot find element by using that X path, right? So you have to use the method as a radio dot click. So this method you have to use it whenever you come across this radio button in your application. So you have to use it instead of clicking. You have to use radio button dot click. So it will use it. And if you find any checkbox, right? So we already know that I've given already like kind of checkbox. Let's say I'll go here. Okay, so here is a checkbox, right? It is not a button.
Mm.
Okay. This is a checkbox. How will write a program? So same thing only. First, you have to find the XPath of that checkbox. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then you have to use a click method only. So click key will work for everything. Clicking the button, radio button, everything. But the only thing you have to write it by using exact XPath of that. Okay. So then, like let's say if you're let's say this is auto suggestion. Okay, let's say I'll show you flipboard.com. So let's say if you're writing here, okay, you just write in mobile. You just written only mobile, or you are not written fully, but you are getting suggestion. How will handle this? How to handle? You want to select only 5G. How to handle? So this is about auto suggestion handling. Okay. So this is first you have to find the example. Okay. So I have given here example. So what is the XPath? You have to find the XPath by using inspect. Okay. So I will find XPath. It has one. Okay. This is another. Okay. So where is the option? The search bar is only showing in desktop, right? So,
Mm.
or let's say I'll go here and inspect. Okay, so I'll use it in required flow. Okay, now I'm seeing it. So I'll type mobile. Okay, so now what you have to do? As soon as you're clicking, it is going off, right? See here, value it is taking. Input type, text, and value, right? You have to find the text path. I have given here. Started with class and search. Okay. Uh, Order contain div class at 2. Okay. So this is your mobile. If you want to click here, okay, where it is highlighting. Okay. So then why is here? If I try to do right click, it is not finding, right? So that is the reason. Just do it. Okay. So it has come here. It started with container and what all it has. Okay. Search for product. So I have given here for finding, you have to find that X path, okay? Otherwise you cannot click it. So first it will write it for entering what we will send the keys mobile, okay? I want to select mobile 5G or just say I'll write only three letter. I want to select this one. Manually we can click it, right? So how we'll write a program, right? First you have to write a X path for that, okay? So input class type, search for product, brand name. Okay. So this XPath you have to use it. Okay. So now I'll use. I don't have a selector hub. Okay. See here. This is my XPath.
Mm.
After that, you have to use a click method. Send keys mobile. Then you have to wait. Then you have to tell that XPath of that mobile. Then click it. So it will click it. So then just practice it. Okay. Try to what you call try to select that value by using the XPath. How will handle this dynamic, right? From the drop zone. Okay. So you can select by index, select by value, right? So if it is in fifth position, you have to use select drop down by index 5, 2, 3, or select by value means if you have any name that you have to give like string variable. Okay, so I'll show you here. Let's say if you have any drop down here. I don't think I have drop down here. See here, if you mouse over here, it has a drop downs, right? Can you
Mm.
see the drop downs, the values? Under computers, you have a desktop, notepad, and accessory. But you have to select accessories. So first you have to find the XPath of accessories, right?
Yeah.
XPath. So then you have to copy that XPath and you have to find the XPath. Okay. Now it is highlighting, right? See
Mm.
here, left side and right side. But this is a not a real absolute XPath. It is a relative. It is a absolute X, but you have to write a relative X
Relative.
by using double slash, or you can use the selector hub also. So how will write? Just copy the element and paste it. It started with H. It started with A, but there is a space between this. That is why you have to
Mm.
use a normalized space. Akshara. Okay. So now I will see how to use that. Normalize. Okay, it was wrong. Normalize space. Now how to use this. Started with this. Or you can use what we call started with a add class, because here a is there, it is started with class, but again here in this is here. In this case, you can use the what you call selector hub. Okay, it will give you the XPath, or you can use as of now this is also. So that is how you can use the drop down. Or if you have a visible text, also you can use select by visible text. What is the text? Accessories, right? You can give this accessories instead of XPath. Okay, so this is how, if you have a drop down, you have to use this method. No need to write the XPath. You just give the value,
Okay.
visible text. So that will work. Okay, like how Padma has given name equal to by using the name equal to username, right? So that is how.
Mm.
Okay. So that is about, and uploading, downloading file is there. So this is for auto IT robot class. This is not needed for. This is for moreover for developer. So not to worry on this. And if you really want to work, just go through here. I've given steps already how to install that
Mm.
for auto IT. So, but it is not used anywhere. Okay. So I think handling drop down is very important. Drag and drop also is there. So we'll discuss on Monday. Okay. I'll stop
Mm.
here.
Okay.
So after that, I don't see. So take screenshot is very far. Okay, so now we have mouse over also is there. Take screenshot. Then how to take the multiple screenshot is there. So because we are at module 8. Okay, so we have only module 10. Okay, so we are just left with two modules to complete automation, and how to generate the report also is there in that framework, test ng framework. It is very very important. Why we'll use test ng we will discuss. Okay, and we have to install again. So only thing, because if you do not practice you will not understand. Okay, I will tell you again, if you do not practice you will not understand. So what I do, I just because till now I have done with live only. So coming classes I will not do live, because coming classes onwards we will be having very big problems. We will take 2 hours just to write it only. That is the reason I have already written the program. So I just show you to how to write the program and run it. Okay, the only thing is for you to practice is very important. Okay, it is very easy only. If you know at least this much, right? So launch the URL, login, clicking, validating title, scrolling, navigating back and forth, right? Printing, right? So closing the pop-up. Can I show you how to close the pop-up? Okay, so there is another already there. Okay, so that is also is there. If you know at least
Mm.
these basics, right? So it will be good for you. Okay, so you can enhance your
Okay.
skill and just day by day you can practice. Okay,